The most beautiful thing of Lebanon is the cedar tree. That tree stands there strong and tall throughout every difficult environmental change, and it is still beautiful and green. The cedar tree, to me, reflects the people of Lebanon and the people of the Middle East.
American University of Beirut is the oldest medical institution in the Middle East. It's a university hospital, so it attracts a lot of interns coming from other hospitals in the Middle East to come and study and raise their clinical abilities.
I'm from Palestine.
I'm from Iraq.
I'm Armenian in origin, from Syria.
As a radiologist, one of my main concerns is the abundance of clinics and hospitals that acquire the latest technology but do not have the background to make use of it in the proper way. Anybody can buy a fancy piece of equipment. If you don't have the training, you don't get the advantages that you can offer your patients.
In the Philips Training Center in Beirut, we have theoretical classes. And if there is a need for hands-on training, the trainees go to the hospital, and with the help of a radiologist, they learn how to use the equipment.
This is the Gemini TF series from Philips. The system has allowed us to reduce the patient imaging time by 1/3.
In a country like Iraq, you have a lot of patients, a lot of complicated diseases. I'm now in American University of Beirut to complete my postgraduate study.
So with this system, we can have the parents stand in here and talk to their child.
Yeah.
And we also couple it with our Ambilight system, so we have this special lighting system in the room.
The new technology has really made a big difference. The time of imaging it takes to cover the heart and obtain images of the coronary arteries is 2 heartbeats. Okay. In 2 heartbeats, we have all the information we need. We're doing a much better quality study in a much shorter period of time.
Medicine is a dynamic science. You have to improve yourself and don't stay behind. 1 year later, I will be back to Iraq, so I can use these machines to serve my people.
You think that you're finished with your medical school and your training and you've graduated, when in fact you spend the rest of your life in training. These innovations have forced us into keeping that mindset. I want to learn, and I want to learn more all the time.
Innovation and you. Philips.